Good morning. Hi. Good morning. Hi. Okay. Hi there, Stripe. Morning, everyone. All the kitties are doing good. These guys have already eaten, and I'm headed out back to feed Morris, who's waiting on the step. This prolonged cold snap is not fun for him. He's not smiling. There you go. I'm not moving my feet, so I'm not crunching anything. This is the one going down on the bricks. The other two are for up here. There you go, bud. There you go. You keep your feet nice and warm on this while he eats, so that's good. I'm going away now. You eat. His cat hotel is staying, just around freezing when it gets down into the teens and warmer when it's warmer outside. I'm feeling pretty good about how he's set up, considering he won't come inside and I can't catch him. Oh. I noticed Silly Boy was over here a minute ago trying to get water out of these two bowls, and I'm going to get the ice out for him. I think Mr. Raccoon last night was a little frustrated he couldn't get to his water on the front porch, so I will. I got a reminder set for 5 p.m. to refresh the front porch water. I would say that walking out there is the worst that it's been since the storm happened. The melt and refreeze has made that top surface not have any texture, and it's really slick. I just put water out there in those two bowls that he's near, and I need to go out one more time, but I'm waiting for him to finish drinking first because he's so spooky. There's always water here. I mean, the raccoons might have put their feet in it, but in the morning it starts out nice and clean, and he just doesn't prefer it. So, but there's always water there, and water in the bird bath around front, even when it's 15 degrees out. So good boy, Morris. Good boy. Yeah. We just have another 5 to 7 days of temps at night in the teens and 20s. I think Stripe's under the cardboard and Morris is just going down to play with him. That's been a good thing that I did there. Gives them a little place where they can go where there's grass. Although right now under the chairs there, and of course up in the woods farther, but near the house. Well, Dawn did get me bird seed out there last night, so that's good. And probably should refresh the water in the bird bath today. But let's do that at like 3 p.m. when it's the warmest of the day and the most melty, crunchy. Because walking out there right now would be not super fun. I think we got a couple of batteries we need to change out on the ring equipment. One that doesn't have a solar panel, and others that the solar panel's not keeping up in the cloudy, cold weather that we have. Sure have been enjoying the birds. Morris is in his heated area, and as you can see, Marty and Stripe are here warming in the house right now. These two bags came from Guardian Angel in the last 3 months or so, but I didn't open them or try to reassemble them. And since I got some extra time because of this stupid cold weather, I'm going to start with this bag, which is like a bakery shop set. I'm thinking it's mostly there. I'm going to put it back together and then store it in the area where I store my friend's sets. And I don't know about this bum, we'll find out. I only want to do 2 bags on the police station today, so I don't want to be start working on it at 1 o'clock in the afternoon. We might go to work out. Don's having a heck of a day. If he gets a window, he'll let me know. And this is something I can just, you know, stop and walk away from. I'm amused. This set had some clay. Let's just say they had decided to do their own baking with clay. And it was in the bag with this set. Pretty funny. It's so cute, and it's all there. I had to find a flame. That was the only part missing. That's on the stove area here on the side, and everything else is here. So that was cute and fun. Morris, hi, honey. Hi. If I sit here, will you come over and let me see you for a minute? Hi. Come here. Stripe's out here. He's just not close right now. Can you come see me by yourself? You know I feed you and won't hurt you. He likes to make you work for it. So I used the spatula and got all of the ice off the boardwalk. I just couldn't take it anymore. I was very careful and surgical about it. I told Dawn not to mess with it. I did it the girl way. You can see some of it out there. But I also cleared off the slate to the bricks. Any place I could clear it. Hi. Hi, buddy. I'm so glad to see you. You see him all nice and dry. He was asleep in the cat hotel. So I know that he's nice and warm right now. Marty was just out and did his little walk in the woods and what he needed to do, and he's back in the house where it's warm. Stripe keeps coming out, deciding it's too cold, coming back in, getting frustrated, forgetting it's cold, going back out. Hi. I'm glad I got the back cleared off. It's beginning to look like Dawn might not be able to get away to go to the gym, so it's good I got a little exercise out there. It was about 30 minutes of bent over, lifting heavy things, pulling, tugging. I just wanted to say before I open this up that somebody has left me a toy snake in this bag. Not the first time I've seen little plastic animals. Not sure specifically about the snake, but lizards or salamanders or dinosaur-looking reptile things, yeah, sure, happened before. Well, this entire little set is here. I don't know if I have this exact set, but I know I have this little cat. This is what, Gabby's Playhouse or Gabby's Dollhouse or something. Anyway, there's 2 cats, and it's adorable, and I'm so happy it's all here. Well, this doggy salon daycare is 100% here too and put back together. So I'm very pleased. There's a little poodle and then another little brown dog, and the 2 minifigures and toys, and a place for a bath and a place for exercise, and of course the adorable sign. I think the only thing I noticed is there's supposed to be a sticker on the door that says open. And I don't see the sticker. Oh well. I don't see the pizza restaurant parts here at all. None, 0. Red, white, and green would be showing up. So that's just going to get set off to the side for now. And that's fine. This set is definitely here, so I will reassemble it. Hi, Marty boy. I've got this Disney Frozen set put back together. It was missing 3 pieces. This piece, and the brush. And this one little jewel here. So 4 pieces. I had all 4 pieces and it's put back together. Disney and Frozen and these sets with the, I guess, deer, moose, whatever they are, well worth putting back together. Well, in the midst of getting news from the earnings call that I didn't want to get, I have put this car hauler race car set together. This goes up and down, and the back part comes down so you can get the car off. And you can put the car in front of over here and you can launch it a little bit. Not very fast, however. And here's the finish line. And the driver is this grease mechanic robot dude in here that's pretty cool. And there's all these tools on both sides of the truck. I mean, this is like the ultimate little car hauler thing. Very cool. And I'm hearing stuff out of the earnings call that I need to go tell Dawn about, and I am not currently amused in any way. And yes, everyone is messaging me. Dawn helped me get down here under the house to order my plants. Everything looks fine except for the braided hibiscus, which hasn't looked fine for the last couple of weeks. It may come back. It's definitely not dead. It's just not super happy. But it's just the one. So, you know, if everything else is good, we're good. You weren't thinking of trying to go in there, were you? Yeah, Yeah, I see your kind. Yeah, we're really looking like we're going to get snow on Saturday, but not ice. Big difference. And the number of days we've been below normal temperatures is like over the top for us. So, wow. But hey, I might not kill myself on the boardwalk tomorrow. I even took a towel to it and dried it off a little bit. Phew. All right, I got the Turtle Rescue Center put back together. Lots of little turtles. I'm missing an egg or two. Here's what the eggs look like. Other than that, it's all good. And really super cute little rescue vehicle here. I put this Harry Potter set together too. That's the last of everything. I had to go pull out one slope. Either I built it wrong when I rebuilt it, or there was a slope missing. Anyway, it's all there. I always wanted this guy, so I'm really happy about that. I'm not going to work on the police station tonight because I spent so much time putting those other models together, those other kits together, sets. But, you know, maybe tomorrow. I actually have a fancy board of directors thing tomorrow evening, so a 5-hour meeting from like 3 to 8 or something for Guardian Angel. So I don't know that I'm going to have time in the evening, but I might have time during the day. Michelle and I have moved our shopping to Friday. Ariel's getting her stitches out tomorrow. So maybe during the day I'll work on the police station. I enjoyed what I did today. I'm down in the dumps about the SNX announcement, and I'm not going to say anything else about it tonight. Maybe I can gain some perspective, and I'll talk about it tomorrow. Marty. Mart. Hey, bud. Hi.